Dear student, class 7, welcome to our Greenfield School and College online class. Today I am going to discuss uh, about the chapter 9, Right of Senior Citizen and Women in Bangladesh, lesson 4. Concept of women, rights and situation of women and their rights in Bangladesh. Look, concept of women rights. Actually, we live in society. We need certain facilities and opportunities to live uh, safe and sound as a member in the society. The chance to fulfill these needs is a kind of right. Therefore, the terms right of women means those facilities and opportunities a state approves of for its women. Women rights are human rights. The United Nations passed the Charter of Human Rights on 10 December. When did the United Nations pass the Charter? On 10th December 1948, approving these rights for people all over the world. According to the Charter, all people, irrespective of their race, religion, caste, age, gender, etc., qualify to enjoy these rights. In our previous class, we learned these rights. One major and special feature among them is all men and women are equal under law and they deserve equal rights. United Nations plays a unique role in preserving various rights for the women in education, health, medical treatment. In third world country like our countries, women's situation is not good, like their economical, social status below than men. The Constitution of Bangladesh also declares to eradicate all discrimination to the women, but we need to learn how our women folk are living. It is really tough to ensure equal rights for women in our society. If we don't know about our rights, we can't enjoy them. In reality, women compared to men are lagging behind. The main reason behind it is that we don't have a clear concept about actually those women who are stayed in the motive area. They did not know how to they don't know what type of rights and what type of rights they claim. They don't know. So actually government and non-government organization have to campaign more to reach the news. Position of women in Bangladesh and their rights. In Bangladesh, women are lagging behind men in many ways. They are still deprived of economic rights, social rights, cultural rights, and many more. They are also victims to many types of discrimination. Many parents in our country still regard a female child a burden. They think their male child, once he grows up, will earn to feed them and take the help of family. This is the concept of our country's people, because they believe that their male child help them and they feed them. On the other hand, a female child, according to them, will go away to her husband's or law's family after marriage, and it will cost quite an amount to marry her off. From this point of view, parents prefer a male child over a female child. But the situation is changing now. Girls are coming forward equally with boys to take up responsibilities, parents, family, as well as society. CLT, although slowly the attitude of society toward women is changing. Many in the society are not yet ready to give the woman their suppose when a woman got the higher position, higher rank in the office, then male colleagues did not accept it, did not want to accept it, and women their due rights because of lack of culture and education, also because of social and religious superstition. Our constitution as well as government regulation provide women an equal status with men as citizens. They have equal rights as men is service in other professions and in getting wages. But in reality, women are deprived of these rights in many respects. They are a victim of deprivation in family and society as well. A family does not show equal interest in educating their girl's child as they do for a male child. You look, if you observe it closely, you found some guardian admit her girl's child a lower standard school, but when they admit her male child, they wants a high level of school and high qualities of school. This is their choosing discrimination. Especially in villages, girls are married off at a minor age. As a result, girls are not allowed to go beyond primary and secondary level despite being good students. Besides, these are instances of physical mental torture too. Lesson 5: Women rights in Bangladesh and significance of their rights. Right to equal status with men, right to participate look, right to equal status with men, right to participate in all spheres of activities in the national arena, right to equality in the eyes of law and equal access to law, right to access any recreational refreshment facility and access to any educational institution for admission, right to equality for government service and be considered free of any discrimination, right to individual freedom. Importance of women rights in Bangladesh. Almost half of the population of Bangladesh is women. Development of country is beyond question. Keeping these half deprived of their rights or letting them fall behind. Begum Rokeya, the forerunner of women advanced, he has compared a man and woman with two wheels of car. If the two wheels cannot complement each other, the car will stop. Similarly, in the society, if women cannot move forward equally, if women cannot move in the mainstream of our economy and the advancement of society and development of society also stop it. And women don't only play the roles of mother, sister, daughter, sister-in-law, aunt or grandmother. They also play their roles alongside their male partners to maintain the family. They also play the main role of rearing child, which is highly important. Women are not limited to traditional homemakers only. They are also earning for the family. They are now showing their excellence in different industries, including garments, academic institutions, multinational companies, engineering, medical and defense services. If we provide them proper education training as well as right to movement and option, they will be able to play a vital role in different sector. If we get a chance to them, and they will achieve a lot. This will help advancement of family, society and country as well. They will be able to contribute more effectively to their families and society, and through that construction of the country. Therefore, women rights are indispensable for women and development of the country as well as the world. Considering this, providing proper opportunity for the women to enjoy their rights and to emancipate has become so vital these days. An educated, self-sufficient and sensible lady can work both inside the home and away from home. That is why the most important is to let them enjoy their rights to the fullest and to let them flourish to the fullest. Last one I want to say, Napoleon Bonaparte has described the significance of women in his famous quote, give me a good mother, I will give you a good nation. Lesson 6. Step 2, implement women rights of Bangladesh. The Constitution of Bangladesh specifies equal rights to men and women. The UN Charter also prescribes the same. Equal rights imply all spheres of life, including family, society and country, where women deserve to be treated equally with men. It is not that women will be able to cast their votes or contest election. They will have equal access to education, service, employment and wages with them. The government has taken some steps to ally all discrimination toward the women and ensure equal rights for them. Education for girls up to higher secondary level is made free, underline free, and these students are provided with stipend from the government. Earlier the system was to write father's name underline only with the children's name. Now writing mother's name is compulsory. Once upon a time the only father's name have to write the application and other thing, but now it is compulsory writing mother's name. Tough law has been enacted to tackle cruelty against women and acid tourism. Maternity leave has been increased. Women have started to get some fruits from these measures. It may not be possible to see a definite change in the society's attitude unless we can expand education and create a mass awareness. Participation of women in various organizations is a proof that our women folk are coming up. Look, now we discuss multiple choice. What is the retirement age for women for government employee in Bangladesh? The answer will be B, 59 years. Number 2. Reason for the senior citizen in our society are, the answer will be D. Number 3. Different. Rosina requested her husband to bring some toys for the children. Her husband brought cricket ball and bat for the boys, and while a doll, some kitchenware for the girls. Different toys for boys and girls reflect on attitude of Rosina's husband, which is The answer will be C, 1 and 3, 2. Answer will be uh, answer will be 1 and 2. Economic discrimination and difference in 1 and 2, difference in attitude. Creative question. Look, Hafiza's family includes her uh, husbands and 3 childs. He can't run the family with her husband's income only. To support the family, Hafiza starts working as a construction laborer. At the weekend, the owner pays her 300 taka as wages, but he pays 400 taka for the same job to the uh, to a male worker. When Hafiza protests, the owner forbids her to come next day. First question, what has Begum Rokeya compared man to woman? Begum Rokeya has compared a man and woman and with 2 wheels of a car. Describe the main role of a woman in family. Almost half of population in Bangladesh is women. Women are not only the half of our society, nor do they play the role of a mother, sister-in-law, aunt and grandmother only, but they also maintain a family in absence of male members. So women play the main role. Number C, what kind of disparity has Hafiza become a victim to? Hafiza becomes the victim of economic disparity. You have to write elaborately this answer. Number D, give your opinion about what to do ensure right of women like Hafiza. In our country, like Hafiza are lagging behind men in many ways. They are still deprived of economic, social, cultural rights and many more. They are also victim to many types of discrimination due to lack of progress in culture, education, also due to many religious and social superstition. In order to establish women's rights and their proper dignity, government should take necessary steps. Family and society, there are various kind of superstition prevail in our society, so you have to write it properly with helping of your book. Number 2, the 70 years old Siddiqa Khatun has all the interest to talk about the old days, but her children don't have the time to listen. She is not even asked her opinion during the marriage ceremony of her granddaughter Jobeda Begum. Their neighbor tells the children of Siddiqa Khatun that they should take care of the food health of their mother. She also advises them to take her to different places sometimes. Who who are the elderly? Usually people over 60 are considered the elderly in our country. Number B, discuss the activities of Bangladesh Retirement Government Servant Welfare Association. Actually, you have to write the Bangladesh Retired Government Welfare provide monetary facilities to the elder and also provide zero interest loan. Number C, what kind of problem is faced Siddiqa Khatun? You came to know that Siddiqa Khatun is elderly woman of 70 years old. She all the interest to talk about the old child, and during the marriage ceremony of her granddaughter, it is very pathetic issue. Nowadays the older reverence and respect and importance paid towards the senior citizen. Their opinion are no more noticeable in our society. So she faced many problem. um, a number of causes like decades of social values, lack of moral education, influence of foreign culture are responsible for this, and family and society tend to show disregard to them. Actually, you wrote elaborately this, and number D, and describe it. Number D, do you think Jobeda Khatun advice about Siddiqa Khatun is correct? State reason for your yes, Jobeda Khatun advice and Siddiqa Khatun is correct. Siddiqa Khatun is representative of the elderly person, but nature's love all human beings grow old like Siddiqa Khatun one day, and in old age people face many problems along with physical weakness in society and family. These problems are familiar, economic, cultural, and psychological. They fall victim of many neglect and deprivation. Due to lack of income, it becomes difficult for them to maintain life, to provide shelter and treatment for themselves. Even has led some principle to protect the rights of the elder. The responsibility of the state is to ensure, actually states have to ensure these rights of the elder person. In developed countries of the country, the state or the government creates many facilities for elderly people. The problems and rights of the elderly are being considered seriously in our country too. So thank you very much. I already discussed two creative question, and I will give you some short question and read it more at home. Thank you very much.